Morning, evening.
Morning.
My name is Jeff. I'm the president of the Guardians Motorcycle Chapter, Law Enforcement Motorcycle Club. We would like to present a check to maCares and Vicky from our charity motorcycle ride we did back in July. We did this for Charles Shellshock Lad, who was one of the first maCares dog teams. He passed away at 33. American hero, Purple Heart, Bronze Star recipient. We lost him at a young age, and maCares took care of him. Great friend. Can't be prouder than to do this for all these dog teams out here. Anything we can do to help, that's what we're here for. That's what we do as law enforcement and as a motorcycle club. We're a business to help other businesses. At this point, we'd like to present to Vicky a check for $4,200. maCares. Everybody gather around, guys. Gather around. These are all my brothers, along with the brothers from the military out here, law enforcement.